Sage reporting for Kalkine Media. Thank you for joining us and please stay watching for the Australian Mid-Market Report. Why ASX shares are retreating. At noon, ASX shares were marginally lower. ASX 200 was down nearly 48 points. Since opening, the benchmark index has been on a downward mode. The materials sector is higher in the ASX 200 pack, while every sector is lower. ASX 200 is largely dragged by information technology, consumer staples, AREIT, healthcare, consumer discretionary, utilities, industrials and telecommunications. Best performing stocks are EML Payments, Lynas Rare Earths, ARB Corp, Westpac Banking and Domino's Pizza. Besides, ASX 200 stocks with most losses at noon were Zipco, Evolution Mining, Whitehaven Coal, Appen Limited and Silver Lake Resources. In market news, Westpac Banking today reported an unaudited net profit of $1.7 billion, while cash earnings were $1.97 billion. There was an impairment benefit of $501 million due to a better economic environment and credit quality. Pact Group has reported half-year results as well. The company's revenue was up 1% to $194.4 million. Underlying EBITDA was up 13% to $164.2 million. Reported profit was $49.9 million, which is 44% higher from $34.8 million. It was declared an interim dividend of 5 cents per share. This comes after a long gap of 3 years. Coles also reported half-year results. Its sales revenue was up 8.1% to $20.4 billion from $18.84 billion. Earnings before interest and tax for the period was $1.02 billion compared to $0.91 billion in the previous corresponding period. It has announced an interim dividend of 33 cents per share. Carsales.com said first half financial year 2021 adjusted revenue was down 2% to $210 million, while adjusted EBITDA rose 18% to $126 million and adjusted NPAT was 17% higher at $74 million. It has increased the interim dividend by 14% to 25 cents per share. Bapcor Limited has reported first half financial year 2021 revenue of $883.6 million, which was up 25.8% from $702.5 million. The company has raised interim dividend by 1 cent per share to 9 cents per share. Its net profit was 49.7% higher at $67.7 million from $45.2 million. Super Retail reported first half revenue of $1.78 billion, which was up 23%. Online sales rose 87% to $237.4 million. The company has reported that statutory net profit after tax was up 201% to $172.8 million. An interim dividend of 33 cents per share is announced by Super Retail Group. Thank you for watching. Sage here reporting for Kalkine Media.